To joint a board without a joiner, all you need is a table saw and another already jointed board. You can get one of these by either buying milled lumber, or you can take some very crude passes through a table saw for a while until you can get it to a straightened and jointed level. After that, on this board, you want to attach some pieces to it so that you can hold down your unjointed board. So you can very quickly and easily, attach a little backing piece to this, and you want to attach some levels across the top of it so that it can hold your board in place. As you can see, this particular board isn't too bad, but it could be better. There's, it's almost flat, or almost flush in the middle, and there's some gaps along the end here. If I flip it around, let's see what this side looks like. Okay, it's almost flush here on the ends, but in the center, there's this big old gap here as well. So now what you do is you pick the side that's going to stay against your guide piece the best, which is going to be this side here, because you've got more points where it's actually staying against your guide board. And then you're going to run it through the table saw as one big piece like this. So as you're pushing it, see the whole piece is going to move through, and that's the idea. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to move my fence all the way up towards the blade so that the thinnest part is touching the blade. So now you run the whole piece through the table saw and it'll shave off just enough on that outside edge there. Jointed board on both ends. Of course, if you have any other small little gaps or anything like that, just make sure you run it through the table saw perfectly straight, keeping pressure down against the fence and forward at all times. That'll give you the straightest cut.